Dear children, welcome back to my channel Maths Tutor. Today we will do exercise 4.2 of standard 10th quadratic equation. Question number 1, part number 4, solve the following quadratic equation by the factorization method. Start the question. Now we will find the numbers whose sum is coefficient of x plus 1 and product is a into c, that is minus 12. The exact method to find the number is write the factors of the product 12. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. By taking 12 and 1, you can make plus minus 13, you can make plus minus 11, but we need plus 1. So these are not the numbers. We will write next factors. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. By taking 2 and 6, you can make plus minus 8, you can make plus minus 4. So these are cancelled. Next factor is 3 into 4 is equal to 12. You can make plus minus 7, you can make plus minus 1. So here we can make some plus 1. Now product is negative. Both the numbers are of opposite sign. Sum is positive. Greater number is positive. The smaller will be negative. The numbers are plus 4 and minus 3. Now we will split the middle term. We will write it as 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. 2x from the first two terms is common. What is left? X plus 2. Minus 3 is common from the last two terms. What is left? X plus 2 is equal to 0. Now x plus 2 is common. X plus 2 we will write common. What is left here? 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Either x plus 2 is equal to 0 or we can find x is equal to minus 2 or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3 by 2. When the product of two factors is 0, one of them must be 0. Hence our solution is x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 3 by 2. Now we will do question number 1, part 3, under root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 under root 2 is equal to 0. We will find the numbers whose sum is plus 7 and product is under root 2 into 5 under root 2, that is 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Now these are very easy numbers. You know the numbers are 5 and 2. We will split the middle term according to the numbers. We will rewrite it as under root 2x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 under root 2 is equal to 0. Now to take under root 2 common from here, this 2 we will write under root 2 into under root 2. Under root 2x is common from the first two terms. What is left? X plus under root 2. Now from the last two terms, 5 is common. What is left? X plus under root 2 is equal to 0. Now x plus under root 2 is common. What is left? Under root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we will equate each factor differently equal to 0. We will write either x plus under root 2 is equal to 0. From here we can find x is equal to minus under root 2, or under root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Under root 2x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 over under root 2. We will rationalize this with under root 2. It become minus 5 under root 2 over 2. So these are the solutions of this equation. Now we will do question number 3 of this exercise. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Let one of the number is x. Therefore, other number will be, as the sum is 27, one number is x, the other number will be 27 minus x. Now according to the condition given in the question, product is 182, that is x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. 27x minus x square minus 182 is equal to 0. Now we will write it in the proper order. Minus x square plus 27x minus 182 is equal to 0. You can multiply it by minus 1. It will become x square minus 27x minus 182 is equal to 0. Now we will solve it by splitting the middle term method. Sum needed is minus 27. Product needed is minus 182. Product needed is plus 182. So easily the numbers will be, we will write the factors of 182. It is 2 into 91, then 7 into 13, 14 and 13. Product is plus, both the numbers are of same sign. Sum is minus, both the numbers are of minus sign. The numbers are minus 14 and minus 13. We will split the middle term according to these numbers. It becomes x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 is equal to 0. X is common. What is left? X minus 14 minus 13 is common. What is left? X minus 14 is equal to 0. X minus 14, now we will write common. What is left? X minus 13 is equal to 0. Either x minus 14 is equal to 0 and you will get x is equal to 14, or x minus 13 is equal to 0, you will get x is equal to 13. If the first number is 14, then the second will be 13. If the first number is 13, second will be 14. So 13 and 14 are the numbers. Now we will do question number 4. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. When two consecutive positive integers are given, let one of them is x, one integer is x. Therefore, other will be, as it is consecutive, so other will be, you can take x plus 1 or x minus 1. Here I will take x plus 1. Now according to the question, sum of whose square is equal to 365, that is x the square plus x plus 1 the square is equal to 365. We will simplify it. X square plus a plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1, 2x minus 365 is equal to 0. It becomes x square plus x square, 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. We will divide this equation with 2. It becomes x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. Now the sum needed is plus 1. Product needed is minus 182. You know 13 and 14 are the factors of 182. Sum is plus 1. So the greater number will be plus 14 and minus 13. The numbers will be plus 14 and minus 13. Now we will split the middle term. X square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. X common. X plus 14 minus 13 common. X plus 14 is equal to 0. Now x plus 14 we will take common. What is left? X minus 13 is equal to 0. Now the product is 0. So one of them must be 0. Either x plus 14 is equal to 0. X we will get minus 14. It is rejected because the numbers are given positive integers. Or x minus 13 is equal to 0. X we will get 13. So one of the number is 13. Other x plus 1, 13 plus 1, 14. These are the two numbers. We'll do question number 5. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. Let the base is x. Therefore, altitude will be 7 cm less than its base. That is x minus 7. Hypotenuse is given 13. So now according to Pythagoras theorem, we can write base the square plus altitude the square is equal to hypotenuse the square. That is x the square plus x minus 7 the whole square is equal to 13 the square. Now we will simplify this equation. X the square plus x minus 7 the square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, it will become minus 14x is equal to 169. Again simplifying it, x square plus x square, 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169. It will become plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. So this equation will become 2x square minus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. Divide this equation with 2 to make it simplify. It become x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now sum needed is minus 7. Product needed is minus 60. To find the numbers, we will write the factors of 60. Clearly, the numbers will be minus 12 and plus 5. We will split the middle term. X square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. X we will take common. X minus 12 plus 5 we will take common. X minus 12 is equal to 0. Now x minus 12 is common. What is left? X plus 5 is equal to 0. Either x minus 12 is equal to 0 and you will get x is equal to 12, or x plus 5 is equal to 0 and x you will get minus 5. It is rejected. Sides of a triangle cannot be negative. So x is equal to 12. Base of the triangle is 12. Altitude of the triangle x minus 7. 12 minus 7, it is 5 centimeter. Now we will do question number 6. Cost of production of each particle was 3 more than twice the number of particles produced on that day. So we will suppose, let number of particles produced on a particular day is equal to x. Therefore, cost of each particle is 3 more than twice the number of particles. That is, twice the number of particles, 2x plus 3, 3 more than, that is 2x plus 3. Now, on a certain day, the total cost of production is rupees 90. So, according to question, cost of production will be number of particles into cost of each particles. That is x into 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. Now we will find the numbers. Sum needed is plus 3. Product needed is minus 180. As the earlier methods we have used, the numbers will be plus 15 and minus 12. We will split the middle term according to the numbers. 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. So x is common from the first two terms. What is left? 2x plus 15. Exactly in the same way, minus 6 is common. So what is left? 2x plus 15. Now 2x plus 15 we can take common. What is left? X minus 6. Now individually we will equate each factor to 0. So 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. X we get minus 15 over 2. It is rejected as the number of particles cannot be a fractional number and negative. So now we will put x minus 6 is equal to 0. X we will get 6. So number of particles produced on the day is 6. Cost of each particle, 2x plus 3, 6 into 2, 12 plus 3 is equal to 15 rupees. So children, if this video is useful to you, kindly like this video and subscribe my channel Maths Tutor.